Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making instant healthy muffin. For this we need Marie biscuit, milk, we are using toned milk, walnut, almonds and fruit salt. So in a grinder add Marie biscuits and grind them. Now add milk to make a smooth consistency of batter. Chop the walnut and add to the batter. Now take muffin molds. Now add half a teaspoon of fruit salt and 1 teaspoon of milk and fold it very gently. Now put this batter on muffin molds and microwave them on high power for 2 minutes and your healthy muffin is ready. Thank you.